All right, if you have an electric blanket that has the control panel has like a flashing, blinking light on it, and it just keeps blinking, that's usually a good sign that there's nothing too major with it. First thing I want you to do is check the connection to the electric blanket itself. Unplug it, firmly put it back in. Again, it's usually a connection problem. Next thing I want you to do is just do a simple reset of the electric blanket. The only thing you need to do to reset it is just to simply unplug it from the wall. And you want to keep it unplugged for about 20-30 minutes. Okay, make sure that you got a good source of power for your cord that's not connected to an extension cord or something, or that you have too much plugged up into that outlet. You might want to try the other outlet and see if that will fix the issue. But normally that will after you reset it for about 20 or 30 minutes. And that blinking light should turn off. All right, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like. Thanks again.